guys, Hunter here. Today in this video we are going to be looking at my Nerf gun collection. I only have a little bit of guns because my mom doesn't like Nerf guns, but I take them over from my dad's house all the time. So I'll show you my 5 guns. First off, this gun you guys recognize, it is the Sharpfire. And also what can happen is can be a little tactical pistol with an extension on it. So when riding through, you don't always have to go like this. Press button. I always have to go like this. Bow, 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 bow. Don't have to do this all the time. And because I think instead of doing it that other way, I think this way is faster. Boom. Put one in there, load it in, bow. But also, I like it because it has an extension. So then when the bullet goes down the barrel, it goes farther. And also what I like about this gun, since there's a little clip right here, so when you're in an Nerf war and you're running out of bullets for your gun, you can go to the filling up station and put your bullets in here. So this is pretty cool. And also, you can also have a gun with an extension. You can also have the gun with an extension so it will go farther. Because I know some people, they'll put this on there, get a bullet, load it up, and shoot them. But I don't always do that because it's a waste of time. But what I do like about this is you can put it in your pocket and boom, boom, and it's a big pistol, so it goes pretty far. So you can load up like this, but this is pretty cool because if you want a tactical little arm with a steadier shot, and you could just put it like this on a table or something. Here, let me show you. If we go over to my desk, you can see my candy claw machine. See, when you're shooting, you can do this. That's pretty cool. Also, I like, you can take this off. It can be a little short one. Okay, next one is the Fire Strike. I like this gun because it's very small and it's real easy to pull up out of your pocket and go boom. Of course, if you're not using any bullets or you don't have any, it's real fast. But also, what I like is if you're hiding behind the wall and you have the 2 bullets in there, the one on top, you have a laser. As you can see, the other ones, see, wow. So again, this one's the Fire Strike Elite. So this is an Elite. I think this one's an Elite. No, it is not. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So next gun, many people wonder why I like these big magnets. They say, too big, too big, too big, too big for your hand, too heavy. When there's one at long range, which your pistol can't do, you got a big old bullet in there. Kind of that. This bullet's longer than my index finger. And it's long. You could shoot at 20 yards, pow, and hit the guy. But with regular guns, you can't. Yeah, but I wish this was better because it would be like a real pistol where it put a battery in there and it shoots. Pow, pow, pow. Boom. And it keeps on passing back for you. But unfortunately, we do not have that yet. Next gun is the third EX3. I like this gun. I mean, it's a pretty cool gun. I like this gun because it can fit in the back pocket of your shoe. You pull it up and you go boom, 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 boom. So it's real fast, like this. And you're real fast. It's really accurate, surprisingly. This gun is actually more accurate than the Fire Strike. And you would think, why? That one has more power. And it has a laser. But, as if you can see, as if you can see, there is not a very good sight. But although there is a laser, but it's not that accurate, as many people know that. But if you can see on this one, try to get it like that. It has a peep sight. One right here, one right here. So it's the front higher. They're called, and the real gun are called iron sights. So yeah, this gun's pretty fun. Now, I gotta show you the big boy. BRB. Wow. Ah, come on. You can see it's the big boy. This gun is the Vulcan EBF 25. Oops, 25 rounds. What I like about this gun, it has a little on switch. For some reason, this keeps on popping on. And as you can see, it's a Gatling gun. But it still has sights. One right there, one right there. Also, flip it up. I don't think any other Nerf gun has this. I'm still doing my video. Quit barging in.
I have to ask you a question.
Who cares? Go away.
Are you missing your blue and black goggles?
No. Now I gotta redo a whole video thanks to you.
The ones that you thought you lost, you still have them?
Yeah, go away. Oh, my stupid sister. Trying to do something, but she just barges in. Stupid idiot. Now, you can load it in like this. Load them in like that, and you can have an automatic. See, just like that. And guys, remember, if you like this video on my guns, you know what to do. Press like, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. Put your comments in, what you think if this is good, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.